And today it's the 16th of April 2022. We have Piettasenkatu 44 TKC here in Leinola, close to Leinola, which was formerly known as Otis here in Tampere, Finland. And this was built in 1998 by Otis with those 1,000 fixtures, turning 25 years old in the next year, 2023, when it will be inspected again. And the serial number is B1NE2476. It might be early 1998, maybe.
Yeah.
Close by there's Flight 97.
Yes.
But only one elevator in the building, opposite the street.
Yeah.
And to Leinola, they're also planning to construct the light rail extension also.
Yeah.
It will be extended from Kaupungin campus terminus.
Yeah. Expected kaikki mietin vaikka on.
But not going over would have been even better here.
Yeah, of course.
This for one, but it could have been green.
Yeah.
Yeah, the green light.
Yes.
That's it.
That's